Today we're going to replace the chain and bar on a McCulloch Mac 338 chainsaw. Firstly, remove the spark plug cap during assembly to prevent an accidental start. Set your chain brake to lock it to position. Untighten the two nuts. Loosen the tension of the chain by turning the adjustable screw anti-clockwise. When the chain is slack, remove the two nuts to release the clutch cover. This chain has been sharpened many times and now needs replacing. Wear appropriate PPE when removing the chain and bar. Place the new bar into position and push backwards so that it engages with the drive unit. When placing the chain back, make sure that the sharp edge is facing forward on the top side of the chain. Lift the saw chain above the drive sprocket and engage it in the groove of the guide bar. Start on the top edge of the guide bar. When the chain is on, place the clutch cover back. Then loosely secure the two nuts. Then secure the two nuts. Tighten the chain tension with the adjustable screw. You should be able to lift the chain above the bar by 1 cm and check that it runs easily. That's how you replace the chain and bar on a McCulloch Mac 338 chainsaw. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.